In this video, we are going to fix the 0x80224200d error when running Windows 11 feature update. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the SFC scan. How we can do that at the search box here, please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you'll get to see a command prompt system, and from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and run it as an administrator. So click on it, and if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue running this window. So please type for SFC /scan now. Click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until this process would be finished. Now it will take some time, but please be patient. Wait until you'd be able to complete the verification. And once you have done it, you need to restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, try to run the Windows feature update again and see if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is to troubleshoot the Windows update. How we can do that: at day start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. At day settings, please navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the system. Click on it. And afterwards, you need to scroll down here on the list and locate for troubleshoot. Next is to click on Other Troubleshooters, and under the most frequent, find for Windows Update and click on Run. Okay, run the troubleshooter for Windows Update, and once you have completed it successfully, you need to close the window and then start the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay, however, if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is here at the search box again. Please type for CMD. Once you have typed that, okay, you need to wait until you can open again the command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and run it as an administrator. Now click on Run as Administrator corresponding to the application and wait until you be able to open the window. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this command prompt as an administrator. Okay, so I want you to copy the commands that I have provided at the YouTube description. The first command would help you to stop the Windows Update service, this one, and then the cryptographic service. So you need to copy and paste it here one by one. Okay. Once you have stopped the Windows update, please proceed on stopping this as well and proceed to the third, which is the cryptographic service. Once you have stopped these three services, you need to minimize your command prompt and then you need to proceed to the File Explorer, open that one. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and A key together. In that way, you'd be able to open it. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and go with this PC. And under it, you can see your C drive or local disk. Click on that one. And then from here, you need to navigate to the Windows, double tap under the Windows. And then you need to locate for the software distribution. So by that, you need to scroll down and find for the software distribution. So click on the software distribution, double tap. And once you have to open it, you need to select the whole, press Control A. You may select that. You may click on that. Okay, and then click on this delete icon. Once you have deleted the folder here, you need to close this window, open your CMD again, and then from that, you need to start the three services that you have stopped earlier. Okay, so copy and paste this one by one. And once you have completed the procedure, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows feature update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.